Welcome to our apartment tour. We are currently moving out. Yay! So I thought this would be a great opportunity for me to do a full apartment tour. So come join me, guys. So this is one of my favorite spaces. About this, hubby tried to do a nice garden there with some roses. It was actually cute. He took out most of the flowers as we were moving out to our new place. This is my favorite because before we moved in here, we stayed in another apartment, but it wasn't a ground floor unit. So when we knew we want to buy a house this side, we wanted to make sure that we have a ground floor unit, which we absolutely loved. We made some of our most special memories here. We had Zia, our son's first birthday, right here, so it's quite special. Come through, guys. We bought this apartment I think 2.5 years ago, so let's just say 3 years. It was a new construction, so that was the most beautiful thing as well. It was newly built. We were officially the first people to occupy this space. It's time to move to greener pastures, I guess, with my little family. So this is our balcony from this side of the apartment. I love entering the house from this side. My hubby loves the kitchen side, but I decided to start with my favorite side. So as you enter this side, you have this big open apartment style. So this is where we had our TV stand this side, and we had our couch this side. So guys, I did do a furnished lounge tour for this area of our house, so do check it out. I'll link it somewhere in the video so you can see how we furnished this lovely space. As you move this side, you will see our kitchen, which I absolutely loved. So what we did for this space here, we did have a 6-seater dining table in this space that's open here. And you'll see one of my favorite items about this house. This is the first favorite item. This is where I put all my groceries. You can see inside there's sufficient grocery space. So I loved this space. And then here we had our fridge. And then when you come this side, also a favorite, a gas stove. Gas is very important. We all know why if you're in South Africa, load shedding. So the nice thing about the gas stove is that you actually can cook even when we don't have electricity. So you can just look at the finishing. I actually love this metallic look and it's really beautiful. Also love the color of the wood that we have here. Another favorite is of course the sink. Might look like a normal sink, but I love the fact that it's a double sink. So that's really convenient for usage, for day-to-day usage. And this side is where I had all my appliances and my microwave and some decor here. So this actually was a nice corner with appliances. It worked out perfectly. And that's the other entry of the kitchen that I did say my hubby prefers. And then here, guys, so here we had our washing machine and we had our dishwasher there. One of the things that I actually enjoyed about this apartment, as I said, it was a newly built when we purchased it. So one of the nice things that they did is they had appliances as part of the sale purchase. So we had a fridge already there, a washing machine and dishwasher. So those things came with the apartment, but of course they're ours. We're taking them. So yes, guys, when you come this side, what I did here in the space, I had a nice mirror just to break the two rooms. And I think I should start with our main bedroom. So this is our main bedroom. The main bedroom is really big, guys. have a look at all of this space around you. We absolutely love that. Of course, I really appreciated all the cupboard space. Look at this. Shelving. This is like a his and her, because both my honey had a shelving side and a side to hang your clothes. So this is really a favorite, and yeah, even though all my clothes didn't fit, but most of them did, which was great. And then this side of the bedroom, this is where we had our bedroom set up, so the bed and the headboard and the pedestals. We had great lighting coming through here. I love the gold curtain rails that we added here. There was none at all when we got here. So some of the pieces, because it was a new apartment, we had to add ourselves. Love the window, it brings in nice light. And then because the space is so big, I was actually able to have a study desk here. So this was also my working area. So it's really big when you're in the actual room. And also in our bedroom, we have our own perfect little convenient in-suite, which I absolutely loved. I loved how they made use of this space. You can have a look and just see how it's not very big in size, but also very nice and modern. I loved the sink. It's really beautiful and it's a modern finish. And then on the other side of the in-suite, we have our shower, which was perfect because really that's all we need. So guys, this space was really convenient for us, I must say. Now we're gonna go to the second bedroom, which we then later use for our son. So when we moved here, it was just the two of us, young married couple, and moving out, we have our son, and he made great use of that space. So I'm just reflecting on some of the memories we created here. But as I did say, really this apartment was perfect for us. It's centrally located in Sandton. That's what we wanted. We just wanted a place that's close to work and that's perfect for just 2 people. And hence now we're leaving because the family is growing. So come through and I'll take you to the second bedroom. So our son's bedroom, the second bedroom, is right across ours. So you enter this way. And guys, remember I told you that not all my clothes did fit in our bedroom? Imagine this. Look at this wardrobe space that we had this side. Of course, my son is just 1 year old, so he didn't use all of this. So I really appreciated this. So this is also nice and neat, this side as well. So it was perfect. So I shared it with him, and obviously also had some other nursery items like a chest of drawer for him, which was perfect. If you look at around the house, you will notice that it's quite similar to the other room, slightly generous also in size, not really the same, but it's still generous in size. So have a look at just the room and just get a sense of the space. Also perfect is the fact that the second bedroom also has its own in-suite, so it's also perfect and convenient, and it's all the way this side. Also very neat, modern, and yeah, I must say we took very good care of the place. I also wanted to show you guys the second entrance of the house, which I did say is Hadi's favorite. So this goes all the way to the kitchen. And this is where you land using this entrance. And I've spoken to you guys about our beautiful kitchen here. Besides the fact that we stayed here and we bought the place because we love it, I really think it's a perfect place for a young couple or a young professional that really wants to be close to Sandton and wants convenient and and it's nice, modern and sleek. It does the job perfectly. I loved it here, hubby loved it here, and I think Zia loved it here as well. He learned to walk, he took his first step, he learned talking here. Gosh, just by reflecting, this place is really, really special. And I hope that one day when he grows up and he's a chartered accountant or a corporate lawyer, which one do you think he will be, love?
He'll be a corporate lawyer. I can just tell.
He loves reading. I'm voting for a chartered accountant. So hopefully one day he'll come here when he's starting his career, when he's done university, and he'll start his life here. So that's the plan for this place. Right now we have the most amazing tenants which will be taking over this beautiful place. So yeah guys, thank you so much for joining me for this empty apartment tour. Don't forget to check out my furnished lounge tour just to see how beautiful I made our lounge space. Thank you so much for joining. I love you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Press that red subscribe button and the notification bell as well. I love you again. Mwah! Next time. Bye.